Whenever storms, flooding or accidents cause water damage in your home, it can be a stressful experience. It's critical to get the water out as soon as possible and evaluate the damaged areas for mold and structural damage. Whenever water damage occurs, the first step should be to stop the source of the damage. The next step should be to call a professional like Anderson Brothers Stematic to help consider the options. Anderson Brothers Stematic can work with all insurance providers to help you recover the damage costs. Get in touch today to discuss your water damage needs. Contact us at brothersteamatic.com or call 800-968-2453.